So what have I sold the most in all the years, and it's been some years, of making jewellery? I've got two of these to send out today. I have one for Helen and one for Sarah. So if you are on my YouTube, thank you so much for placing an order. All the supplies that I use are available on my website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. So I'm just using some all-purpose glue. I've got some Handmade with Love tags, 2 leopard print cabochons. Now you either like them or loathe them, but I love leopard print. And it makes the most amazing jewellery. So I make low cost jewellery. These are just some packaging supplies along with these. So the secret ingredient are these cabochon rings. So these are 12mm. The cabochons are 12mm, and they simply are glued into place. Obviously it all comes down to the ring setting. Yes, you can go anywhere and buy a ring setting, but not all settings are the same, right down the base materials used. Now I am coming to the end of these settings, and the ones that I found I don't like. The ones that I have found to replace them I don't like. So I'm going to be slightly changing this ring design to a split design, which I'll show you now. So I will have to redo my photographs. Just get a bit of scrap paper. So this is just an all-purpose glue. Add to the setting, place that in. Let's go quickly on to the next one because the glue is coming out. Pop the lid on. If you want to use super glue, it's absolutely fine. There we go. And how simple is that? How simple is that? And I just team it up. I just take this is just macrame thread, which I also sell on the website. It's 0.8mm. And I just do, let's just take that one out. And all I do is just simply attach the label. I just tie the label. Tie the label very loosely. As you can see, it's not falling out it's still not set, but it's not falling out. It's absolutely fine. Just when you do make them, make sure there's no glue around the outside. My nail's taken a little bit of that off. And I just snip off some excess. That's all I do. That's all I do. And these are my best seller. But also I don't just do this design. I have lots of vibrant colours. I'm making these all the time. Like I say, yes, anyone can make them, absolutely. but the actual ring settings it takes me a very long time to find what I am happy with. That's it. That's all I do. And then I just pop them in there. Just check there was no glue on those. Pop them into an organza bag. The option is always there if they want to upgrade to a velvet drawstring pouch. And I just pop them in. I'm not gonna seal them up just in case I put the wrong. So we have this one. So absolutely fantastic for stall fillers. If you do craft stalls, absolutely fantastic, inexpensive to make. I can almost guarantee if you buy something like this to make, they will sell. They will absolutely sell. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. I have lots of jewellery tutorials ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. I do other craft projects. I just started my journaling journey and I'm making a vintage journal. So you may see some videos come up and think that's not jewellery, but I have started to make journals. I have started journaling. I almost forgot to tell you what I sell these rings for. So they are silver plated cabochon rings and I sell them for £6.99 plus postage. And just in case you're wondering, I do also ship internationally, including to the USA. The postage to the US is around £20 because it's fully tracked. The tariffs are already paid by me and I pack the rings in a special protective box so they arrive safely after the journey. I've had lots of customers in the US and they've been really happy to receive them safely. So if you're wondering, will people pay that much money for postage for a ring so cheaply? They most certainly do. So thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and as always, happy crafting.